on speaker. Hey everybody, this is Josh. I am back again to show you guys my actual car. Kinda, you can see it. This is okay. Hold on, let me go get my screwdrivers. Alright, well, I'm back now. Here I had to tear this out because, like I said in my one video where I told you guys I can't drive, was because my one wire came loose and I rusted the whole thing. So hold on, let me take this off. Wait, I should tighten that. I will take that off in some other video. I don't feel like messing with it today. It's a little too late right now. I can also, I'm gonna show you guys how to tell if your glow plug is still good. Well, now I prefer to use Blue Thunder 20% nitro. It's really expensive. See, it's actually blue. Let's see. No, this is how you have to go in here. Yeah. Take it out. Why not come out all the way? There it is. Mine's really greasy. I'm leaking grease because of I don't have my pull starter on there anymore. Now, what you do, pull back your thing. Maybe my glow plug's dead, but oh no, there's that glow. Once you see that glow, that's what ignites your engine. That's how you tell if this is good and this is good. Put it back in. There's that glow. Now when you put it back in, this is how I do it. You put it on, make sure it's all the way in your screw and your cross. Tilt your car. Oh, oops, I dropped mine. Sorry, I'll redo that again. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in. There you go. Tilt your car. Push down and twist. Make sure you get it on there tight. Now I also had a question for any of you out there. I need another way to get stripped bolts off my engine. I also ran into a problem, as you can see. I actually, right here, hold on, you see how it all got smoothed out because the gear, my engine, you see, hold on, let me put my finger on it. My finger will shake. It moves back and forth. I gotta get this off. Couple videos. I'm gonna show you how to clean these. Mine are extremely filthy, as any of you can tell. and I'll show you guys that when I get it all back together. And now in one of my videos, if you ever get a crack in your gas tank and everything's still saved, I can actually show you how to fix that to where it drips out, but it takes 10 days for it all to come out. Well, it takes 10 days before it starts dripping again. And then you gotta melt it some more. What you'll need is a welding gun, and you're just gonna follow the line of cracks. And whenever you think it's fully sealed, you're gonna put a little bit of gas in it, and if it starts to leak, you find where the hole's coming from, and then you're good. Alright, well, peace out.